Hi, today I'm going to walk you through how to set up neighborhoods in Robin. Neighborhoods are organizations of desks or groups of desks that you can create to better navigate your floor plans and improve wayfinding and get a better idea of how your space is set up and structured. To create a neighborhood, I'm going to open the assignments tool. You can start this in either Quick Drafts or in the scenario planning tool. I'm going to go to neighborhoods. I'm going to create a new neighborhood, and I'm going to select all of the desks that I want to be in this neighborhood. Let's pretend that this neighborhood is for marketing. And I've created all of these desks right here, including their designation of desk type. So hotel desks stay hoteled, assigned desks stay assigned, and assignees are shown here. I'll create this neighborhood. As you'll see over here, the floor plan now reflects the breakdown of who is sat where and what groupings they're in. So I can create another neighborhood, and I'll set its color over here to orange, and I will create a department of engineering. And now you can see that that breakdown has been added to the overall floor plan. Neighborhoods can be edited or deleted at any time, like any other feature, and offer you the ability to gain more insight into how your space is used, as well as helping your employees and visitors know where to go in your office. A really useful wayfinding tool. That's a high-level view of how to use the new neighborhoods feature in Robin.